Hello guys, welcome to RSPS online classes. A very good morning to all of you. It's Ritu Yadav, your English teacher. Today I will teach you chapter first, noun and its kinds. In this chapter we are going to learn the definition of noun and its kinds with their example. Kinds means proper noun, abstract noun, material noun, collective noun and common noun. There are 5 kinds of noun. So let's start. So first is, what is noun? What is noun? A noun is the name of a person. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal or a thing. So this is the definition of noun. A noun is the name of a person. Name of a person means Ram, Shyam, Geeta, Rita, Ritu, Vishal, Ankit, Abhishek, etc. These are the name of a person. Okay? So, name of a person is Ram, Sita, Geeta, etc. And next, a noun is the name of a place. Place means city, country, any street name or any landmark name. That is mean it is the place. So, for example, India, UP, Jamne, Kandari, etc. Okay, these are the name of a place. And the next is, a noun is the name of a animal. Animal name is tiger, lion, elephant, owl, etc. Or a name of a thing. Thing means chair, table, pen, pencil, etc. Means non-living things. So this is the basically the definition of noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal or a thing. So is called noun. So the definition is, a noun is the name of a person, place, animal or a thing is called noun. Now we are going to discuss about its kind. Already I told you that there are 5 kinds of noun. First is proper noun. First is proper noun. And the second one is common noun. Third one is collective noun. And the fourth one is abstract noun. And the last is material noun. there are 5 kinds of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and material noun. So first is proper noun. In this noun we are going to talking about a specific person or a particular person. Name of a particular person or a specific person, place, animal, or a thing. A specific person, place, animal, or things. Okay, so proper noun is a noun that denotes a specific name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. For example, Mr. Narendra Modi is the Chief Minister of India. So in this example, Mr. Narendra Modi and India are the proper noun. This is the specific name of a person, and India is the specific place. So proper noun means a noun that denotes a specific name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. This is called proper noun. Next is common noun. Common noun is a noun that denotes common name of a person, place, animal, or thing. So there is not a specific, there is common name. Common name means boy, girl, students, class, chair, table. These are the common name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. Okay, animal means birds. For example, animals like birds, reptiles, aquatic animals. These are the common name. So the definition is a common noun is a noun that denotes the common name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. For example, the students are going to the class. The students are going to school or a class. The students are going to the school. So in this example, students and school are the common name of a person and the common name of a place. That's clear. And the third one is collective noun. Collective noun is a noun that denotes the collection or a group of a person or a thing. Is called collective noun. Collective noun means group of person or thing. For example, team. Team means group of a player. Class. Class means a group of a student makes a class. Army. Crowd, etc. So these are the some example for collective noun, and there is another example for you. Our team won a game. So in this example, team is the collective noun. So team means group of a player. Group of players. That is team. So collective noun is a noun that denotes the group of a person or thing is called collective noun. And the next is abstract noun. So abstract noun means a noun that denotes feeling, quality or state. Feeling, quality or state. So this is the abstract noun. For example, childhood, youth, love, affection, bravery, honesty, etc. Okay, these are the feelings, quality or a state of a person. So these are the example of abstract noun. The definition is a noun that denotes feeling, quality or state is called abstract noun. For another example, we should treat the animals with love and affection. For example, we should treat the animal with love and affection. So in this example, love and affection are the feelings. So this is the example of abstract noun. And the last one is material noun. Material noun is a noun that denotes a substance or it denotes a substance or matter of which things are made. For example, gold, silver, iron, milk, water, tea, etc. These are the some examples for material noun. Material noun means a noun that denotes a substance or matter of which things are made is called material noun. For example, the jewelry is made of gold. So in this example, the gold is material noun. So students, this is the chapter first, noun and its kind. I hope this video will helpful for you and your study. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay home and stay safe.